Well, I'm out here in the shop. I just got in a package. I think it's a gift from my wife. It says it's from the Tom Zone. Well, let's open it up and see what we got here. What is this? It says I pee freely, no splash, no spray, no smell. What? Oh, it's some kind of a funnel. The Tom Zone. Huh. Oh, would you look at that? That reminds me, sort of reminds me of that old joke, you know, about the books like 100 Yards to the Outhouse by Willie Make It and Betty Dawn, and then there's Yellow River Valley by I.P. Freely. I think I know what this is. Hey, maybe I don't even have to put the lid down anymore. I can't wait to try. Okay, I guess we're ready for a simulation of the I.P. Freely pee funnel. So I'm going to do a simulation here. I think that might be the best. Actually, I think I can leave the lid down. Let's see. I'm gonna pour this cup of water through it, and they say keep a cup of water on the back of the toilet to rinse it out each time after use, but it's certainly plenty. There's plenty of length to do what you want it to. And it looks like you would just point it into the toilet. It usually goes past the rim. It certainly focus your screen if you have trouble splashing like I do. And there you have it. Looks like it works like a charm. I can't wait to start using it. I think I'll go have a cup of coffee right now and see if I can put it to use. I pee freely. Oh, and they sent a handy hook along with it, wall mount. You could put it wherever you wanted to, but it just hangs right up there, ready for the next use.